Maayong adlaw kanining tanan. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. My warmest greetings of love to everyone present today in The Hague, Netherlands. Once again, I would like to thank you for your unwavering love and support for President Rodrigo Roa Duterte and our whole family. I apologize for being unable to make it there today as I am back in the Philippines to continue with my education, because I am sure that is what my father, Dada Rudy, would want. But rest assured, I am one with you in spirit. I kindly ask you to continue being in collective prayer for our Tatay Digong. May we also continue to be the hope of our beloved country, the Philippines. Mga kababayan ko, let us not stop until our Tatay Digong is safely back home. Again, maraming salamat sa inyo. Mabuhay kayo at mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Isang lahi, isang libo.